Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Berenice, aka Miss Berenice of Berenice's Closet. And so guys, today's video I'm going to be showing you how I prepared my dinner, which is a pepper chicken, liver and cow skin stew. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this food or how I cooked this food, keep on watching. So for ingredients, we start with our green onions, some cooked liver, cooked pepper sauce and curry powder, 2 cubes of star Maggie, onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, some bouillon, cooked chicken, some blended pepper, onions, garlic and ginger, and then our bay leaf. Now guys, let's start cooking. I'm gonna add my blended ingredients into a bleached palm oil and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'm gonna add my cooked chicken. The chicken wasn't fully cooked, so I'm gonna add it in now and let it cook for about 5 minutes and get all that flavor in. Next, I'm using some white Maggie for a flavor enhancer. Guys, this is very good to enhance the taste. Just don't use too much. Now I'm adding my spices of curry powder, paprika, black pepper and some bouillon. Gonna mix it all together and then put it in the pot and then stir it. Stir to get all that flavor in. Now I'm adding my cooked liver to the sauce, and yeah guys, I'm just gonna mix it so it too can absorb that flavor. Next, we add some tomato paste for a little bit of tanginess to it, and yeah, voila, it's coming together. After a few minutes, I added my Maggie, 2 star Maggies. Guys, star Maggie is really good and just completes the taste. And then I just stir it together to add some more tastiness to the sauce. Next, I added some salt. That was the final taste that I needed because guys, salt is just the draw for all of it. And now I'm adding some pepper and onions. I'm adding it at the end now because guys, I don't want this to be fully cooked through. I just wanted to add it for color, and guys, I love the crunchiness at the end. So yeah, that's why I'm adding it now. Now I'm adding some eggs for extra protein. I saw this from CCM's channel and I wanted to give it a try. Lastly, I'm gonna garnish it with my spring onions. Guys, I love spring onions. Like, it just comes in perfect. It just gives the perfect color. So I'm adding it last because I don't like it fully cooked through. I love to have the crunchiness of it when I'm eating my food. So yeah, and I'm just gonna let it cook for about a minute. And lastly, I'm adding the cooked pepper sauce. I'm adding it lastly because my mom doesn't like spicy food, so I had to take out her own portion. And yeah, and I didn't want to have a raw pepper taste at the end, so that's why I'm using the cooked pepper. By the way, this pepper sauce is from Mama's Kitchen. Mariama, I'll put a link to her Facebook page down in the description box below because this tastes marvelous. And voila, here is it. We have the end product, guys. Look at this deliciousness. Oh my goodness. Food is served. My dinner is ready and I'm just serving it up with some sweet potatoes and plantain. Guys, I love plantains. And yeah, look at that deliciousness. Everything tastes so good. So guys, I finished cooking. Now let's go dive into the tasting. And yeah, let's start with this one. This is the cow skin. In Creole they say Kanda. And yep, with some sweet potatoes. I did fantastic. I'm not just saying this because I cooked it, but guys, it tastes so good. I followed a couple of recipes and I'm amazed though. Let's try a little bit of the egg. I never eat my stew with egg. Doesn't taste bad though. It tastes good. That's a good source of protein. And now let's taste the liver. Man, this food is mad. Oh, sweet. Sweet lila. Oh, sorry, I'm not bringing you guys down. So this is the food. My hands are blessed. Guys, it tastes so good. So good. I cannot be eating and talking today because this food tastes so good. And it has pepper in it. So you don't want to choke on this food. So guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And remember, this is a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle channel. So you're going to be seeing a little bits and pieces of my life on here. I'm going to be as open as I can with you guys. So don't be too judgmental. This is just me living my life. And I need to go finish my food. And if you're still bored, guys, check somewhere up here or over here. My other video is there. Okay? Stay tuned and more is coming. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and share this video. Let me enjoy my dinner. Bye-bye. Oh, you still here? Well, stick around. Watch some more videos. Check down below. Bye-bye.